Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. I'll be picking more cards from another deck, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So for your relationship, we are picking cards from another tarot deck. So this is for your relationship and one card for your career situation, Capricorn. So let's start with the general energies, guys. We have the Tower, Five of Swords, Six of Swords in reverse, Hierophant in reverse, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So Capricorn, with these cards, maybe in your situation you are fighting for something, maybe fighting for your place in your work, or you have stiff competition maybe in projects or whatever work you do. There are people competing with you, maybe trying to grab your opportunities today, guys. So there are people who are quite jealous of you, and they consider you as a rival. Or for some of you, maybe it may be your mistakes or it may be this person's mistakes. So they are feeling really guilty, ashamed to be in this situation today, and they are really sad and stressed because of this guilt. They don't know what to do. So they have done some mistakes. Maybe, guys, it may be something in your career or in your personal life. So maybe this person has done something wrong and they are really worried and they are really ashamed of their actions, and they don't know how to make it all right, guys. So maybe for some of you, they love you and they want to tell you the truth today, guys, Capricorn. So maybe some mistakes they have done, it is worrying them, and they want to come out with the truth with you. They want to be really open with you. So they are unable to hide anything from you because they love you. So that is the reason they are going to come out with truth. So this person cannot hold any secrets from you, guys, because they love you. So that is what I see, guys. Or maybe for some of you, they are telling you the truth and they are proposing to you. Maybe they have done some mistakes in the past, or they have done wronged you even in some ways, but they love you truly and they cannot live without you. So that is the reason they are coming out with the truth today, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys. And maybe there are sudden changes. This person is coming out with the truth all of a sudden, and it is taking you by shock, maybe for some of you. But though it is something shocking, it is something good for your connection, for this love. So this truth is what is going to make this love work for you, between you both, guys. So this may be your energy or this person's energy, guys. So you are telling them the truth and building that strong foundation, or they are telling you the truth and building this strong foundation. So whoever is revealing the truth, that is simply going to help you, help your future of this connection, guys. Maybe today you are shocked hearing what they are here to say, but it is true love that is the center of this thing, guys. That is the only reason they are revealing that bad things, whatever they did to you guys. And these this situation is going to, what to say, these difficulties are going to change for you guys. So this person, maybe today you may be hurt, worried, or they may be hurt, worried, or crying after knowing the secret, but it is just going to bring you both together, guys. This truth is going to bring you both together. So that is what I see with this card, these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have King of Fire. Such a beautiful card for your relationship, guys. So with this card, you are feeling really inspired when you are with this person. So maybe this person is bringing out the goodness in you, the good characteristics. So they are truly loving and caring. So whenever you are with them, you feel really overwhelmed and emotional. Maybe that is the reason you are telling them the truth. You feel really good, confident, happy, and you feel that you are brave enough to face any odds, to overcome any troubles in any situation, maybe in your career or in your life. So this person is inspiring you greatly. So it may be through their actions or the words they speak or the love they shower on you, guys. So this person loves you just like you love them, truly, guys. So maybe that is what is making you really open to them, trying to be really truthful to them, honest. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, Capricorn. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Three of Earth. So with this card for your career situation, guys, you are working with people. Maybe you are working as a team. You have that dedication. You are putting in lot of efforts, and you are working towards your dreams. And you are maybe for some of you, if you are facing difficulties, Capricorn, you have to go for that teamwork, work collaboratively. So that is going to help you in a great way today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, for your daily energy. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.